Hello and welcome to Maths with Udom. I still remain your online mathematics tutor, Mr. Okon Udom. Today, we are going to look at addition and subtraction of mixed numbers. Addition and subtraction of mixed numbers. Mixed numbers are also known as what? Mixed fractions. So how do we add and subtract mixed numbers together? That's when you have the combination of addition and subtraction of mixed fractions. How do you simplify them? That is what we are going to look at today. So let's start. Okay, so addition and subtraction of mixed numbers. Okay, so we are going to start with our examples so that we can move and understand the topic proper. So let's have our examples. Example, simplify the following. Okay, let's simplify the following fraction. Is that okay? So these are our two examples, okay? And for us to solve this, I'm going to use two methods to solve these problems, okay? We have to simplify the following fractions. The first fraction is whole number, second one is a negative number. The first fraction is positive, second fraction is negative, third one is positive. For example 2, first mixed number positive, second mixed number positive, third mixed number negative. So how do we solve this? So let's start. I'm going to start using two methods. So let's start with the first one. Okay, solution. Solution for number 1. We have 5 whole number 3/4 minus 2 whole number 7/8 plus 1 whole number 1/2. Okay, so to solve this, all we need to do is to remember our BODMAS rule of BODMAS. That is the order with which we can solve problems like this, okay, in fractions. There's something we call BODMAS. BODMAS. Okay, if you check the rule of BODMAS, addition comes before subtraction. Of course, B is brackets, O means what? Off, and off means multiplication. D means division. M is multiplication. A is addition. S is subtraction. From here, A comes before S. Addition comes before what? Subtraction. So what do we do from here? We are going to what? Bring the two positive numbers together, okay? And that will give us what? 5 whole number 3/4 plus what? 1/2 minus 2 whole number 7/8. So from there, then we'll simplify further. So let's change these numbers, each of the numbers to what? To improper fraction. So for us to do that, we have 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. So we have 23 divided by 4 plus 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, 3. So we have 3 divided by 2 minus 8 times 2 is 16, and 16 plus 5 will give us 23, okay? So we have 23 divided by what? 8. So from here, what do we do next? Is for us to what? Find the LCM of all the denominator. Denominator of 4, 2, and 8. So let's find the LCM here. So the LCM of 4, 2, and what? And 8. Let's find the LCM of 4, 2, and 8. So what can go? 2. So 2 in 4, 2. 2 in 2, 1. 2 in 8, 4. 2 can go again, okay? 2 in 2, 1. 2 in 1, 1. 2 in 4, 2. Okay? Then 2 lastly. 2 in 1, 1. 2 in 1, 1. 2 in 1, 1. So multiply the prime numbers outside. So 2 times 2 times 2 will give us 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is what? 8. So our LCM is 8. So what do we do with that? Then we'll come here and continue. So we have 8 as our what? LCM. Then how many 4 here can go in 8? 2. Okay? 4 in 8 is 2. And 2 times 23 will give us 46. Okay? Then we have plus. The plus sign here. Okay? We continue. How many 2 can go in 8? 4. 4 times 3 is what? 12. Then we have minus. This sign here, minus. How many 8 can go in 8? 1. 1 times 23 is what? 23. So what the next thing? We add the numerators together. So we have 46 plus 12. That will give us 58. 58 take away 23. Divide by what? 8. And if we subtract this, 53 take away 23, we are going to get 35. Okay? So we have 35 divided by what? 8. And finally, our answer here will be how many 8 is in 35? Okay? 8 times 4 is 32. Okay? That's 4 whole number. Okay? 4 whole number 32. 3 over 8. 3 over 8. So 4 whole number 3 over 8. So we come here and write our answer that we'll make reference to later. 4 whole number 3 over 8. And that is for our first method. We got this. Okay? As our first method. 4 whole number 3 over 8. Now let's move to the second method on how to solve the same problem. Method 2. So to solve this problem using method 2, we bring the whole numbers together and then we bring the what? The fractions together. But before then, let's arrange these numbers using BODMAS. In BODMAS, addition comes before what? Subtraction. So we rearrange this number. That will give us 5 whole number 3 over 4, okay, plus 1 whole number 1 over 2 minus 2 whole number 7 over what? 8. Okay, so what are the whole numbers? We bring the whole numbers together. So we have 5 plus 1 minus 2. So we have 5 plus the whole number for this one, 1, minus, because this is minus 2. Okay, that's the whole number for that. Then plus, we also bring the fractions together. The fraction here is what? 3 over 4. Okay, plus 1 over 2. Minus what? 7 over what? 8. So what do we do from here? Then we say 5 plus 1 will give us 6. And 6 minus 2 will give us 4. So we'll come here and we'll write 4 plus. Okay? Now, for the denominators here, the LCM of 4, 2, and 8 is still 8. We have done it before. Okay? To give us 8. So from there, we simplify. And that will give us 8. Alright? So, how many 4 can go in 8? 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay? plus, how many 2 can go in 8? 2 in 8 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Minus, let's write it here because of space. Let's resolve this on the other side. Okay, so we have 6. 5 plus 1 is what? 6 minus 2 plus 3 over 4 plus 1 over 2 minus 7 over what? Over 8. Okay, so this give us this. So 6 take away 2 is what? Is 4. 4 whole number plus, then the LCM of what? 4, 2 and 8 is 8. Okay, so from here 4 in 8, how many 4 in 8? 2. 2 times 3 is 6 plus, of course this is still the brackets. How many 2 can go in 8? 4. 4 times 1, 4. Okay, minus, how many 8 can go in 8? 1. 1 times 7, 7. Then we'll close what? The brackets. That will give us 4 plus. Now, 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 minus 7 divided by what? 8. Okay? And that will give us 4 plus. Now, 10 take away 7 will give us what? 3. Divided by what? This our denominator 8. Then the next thing for us to merge these two together. If you merge these two together, what do we have? We have 4 whole number 3 over 8, which is exactly what we got when we use our first method. Is that okay? Now let's move to our second example, example 2. So what do we have? 3 whole number 3 over 4 plus 1 whole number 1 over 6 minus 3 whole number 1 over 3. So what do you notice here? From the first example, you have addition, subtraction, addition. But here we have addition, addition, subtraction. So we don't need to use BODMAS again because the numbers or the mixed numbers, they are already arranged orderly. Okay, so we don't need to use BODMAS again. Okay, now the next thing for us to do is to change the mixed numbers or mixed fraction into improper fraction, and that will give us, let's start now, 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is what? Is 12. Okay, 12 plus 3 is what? 15 over 4. Okay, plus 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1, 7 over 6 minus 3 times 3, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 over 3. So we look for the LCM of 4, 6 and 3. Let's quickly look for the LCM of 4, 6 and 3. Okay, what is the LCM? 2. 2 can go. 2 in 2, 2 in 4, 2. 2 in 3, 2 in 4 is 2, 2 in 6 is 3. Can 2 go in 3? No, impossible. You repeat that. Okay, then 2 can go another prime number. 2 in 2, 1. 2 in 3, impossible, repeat it. 2 in 3, impossible, repeat that. Then lastly 3. 3 in 1, 1. 3 in 3, 1. 3 in 3, 1. So what will be our LCM? We multiply all the prime numbers outside. So our LCM means lowest common multiple, okay? Or least common multiple, okay? So 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 is what? 4. 4 times 3 is what? 12. So our LCM is what? Is 12. So it's the 12 we are going to use to simplify further, okay? So let's continue. So we now come here and write our LCM, which is what? 12. Okay? Now, how many 4 can go in 12? 4 in 12 is 3. Okay? 4 in 12 is 3. And 3 times 15 will give us what? 45. Okay? Okay. Because 3 times 5 is what? 15. 5 carry 1. Okay? And 3 times 1 is 3. Okay? So we have 15. Okay? So let's proceed. Where do we start? 4 in 12. 4 in 12. 3. 3 times 15. 45. Okay? Plus 6 in 12. How many 6 can go in 12? 2. 2 times 7, 14. Minus. How many 3 can go in 12? 3 in 12 will give us 4. Okay? So 4. 3 in 12 will give us 4. Okay? 4 times 10 will give us 40. Okay? So the next thing is for us to add these two numbers together. We add 45 plus 14 together. Okay? So 45 plus 14 will give us what? Will give us 59. Okay? Will give us 59 minus what? Minus 40. That's 59 minus 40 divided by what? Divided by 12. Now, 59 minus 40 will give us what? 19. 19 divided by 12. Is that okay? 19 divided by 12. Now, how many 12 can you see in 19? 12 in 19. That is a 1 whole number. Okay? 1 whole number. 7 over what? Over 12. 7 over 12. Okay? That is our answer for the first one. So we'll come here and write our answer there. 1 whole number, 7 over 12. Okay? We'll put it in a box, as we'll make reference to that later. Okay? 1 whole number, 7 over 12. Now let's use our second method to solve the same problem. Okay? Method 2. Okay, for second method, what do we have? We have 3 over 4 plus 1 over 6 minus 3 1 over 3. The numbers have been arranged already. So we bring all the whole numbers together and fractions together. Okay? So the whole numbers here we have 3 is whole number plus 1 whole number minus 3 whole number. Then plus the fractions we also what? Be brought together. Okay? We open a bracket. What is the first fraction here? 3 over 4. 3 over 4. Plus the next fraction here is what? 1 over 6 minus. But this is a minus sign. Minus what? 1 over what? Over 3. So we simplify further. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 take away 3 is 1. So we have 1 plus. Then we look for the LCM of what? 4, 6, and 3. So let's look for the LCM of 4, 6, and 3. Okay? What can go? 2. 2 in 4 is 2. 2 in 6 is 3. Okay? 2 in 3, impossible. We repeat that. Okay? What can go again? 2. 2 in 2, 1. 2 in 3, repeat it. 2 in 3, repeat that because they cannot go through. Then 3 this time around. 3 in 3, 1. 3 in 3, 1. 3 in 3, 3 in 1, 1. 3 in 3, 1. 3 in 3, 1. So what will be our LCM? Our LCM, okay, will be what? the multiples outside. That is 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. So our LCM is what? Is 12. So what do we do with the LCM? Then we come here and proceed. So we have 1 plus, you open a bracket, our LCM we got was what? Was 12. Okay? Remember this was 3. Okay? Now let's continue. Thank you. Now let's remove this. Now from here we have 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay? Plus what we have in the bracket here. We have gotten the LCM of 4, 6, and what? And 3. And that gives us 12. Then we'll put the 12 under here. So how many 4 can go in 12? 4 in 12 is what? 3. 4 in 12 is 3. 3 times 3 is what? 9. Plus, because this is a plus sign, okay? 6 in 12 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is what? Is 2. 6 in 12, 2. 2 times 1, 2. Minus, how many 3 can go in 12? 4. 4 times 1, 4. Okay, so we close the brackets and proceed. Over 12, right? Our LCM was 12. Okay. So we have 1 plus. So we add our numerators together. 9 plus 2 is what? 11. 11 minus 4 divided by what? Divided by 12. Okay? And that will give us 1 plus. 11 minus 4 will give us what? 7. 7 over what? 12. Then we'll come to this side and merge them together. So 1 plus 7 over 12 is still the same thing as 1 whole number, 7 over 12. Is that okay? 7 over 12. And if we check through, we got exactly the same thing when we use the first method. 1 whole number, 7 over 12. 1 whole number, 7 over 12. So in the exam or your test or anywhere you find yourself, ensure you use any of the two methods and you arrive at the same answer. I want to give you the assignment for today's class. Take your assignments. All right, your assignment for today. So you have to simplify the following fractions. Simplify the following words, fractions. And what are the fractions? Let's have it right away. Number 1. That's number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. And lastly, number 5. So these are your assignments, okay? These are your assignments. All you need to do is to ensure you do the assignments, submit the work to your school teachers for appropriate marking and correction, and then by so doing you get better by the day. Okay, before you leave, kindly like this video, drop your comment in the comment section telling us on where we need to improve on and the topics we need to treat that you want us to treat. Okay, then share this video to all your friends and family members all over the world, and most importantly, click on the subscribe button under this video. Remember, the best way to become a mathematician and to be strong mathematically is by constant practice. Until I come your way again next time, I still remain your online mathematics tutor, Mr. Okon Udon, and I'm saying to you, remain mathematically sound. See you in my next class. Bye for now.